Hi, my name is Garrett Staines. I'm a scientist at the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory. I'm here at the Tanana River Hydrokinetic test site with staff from the University of Alaska at Fairbanks, conducting research for the Triton Initiative. Triton is a project dedicated to understanding potential impacts of marine energy devices on the environment to remove barriers to deploying these renewable energy systems for testing. Our field trials conduct in-water testing of different technologies used to monitor the possible environmental stressors associated with these systems. I study collision risk, or the threat of animals interacting with moving parts, like the rotating blades of a turbine. Since the Tanana River has a fast-moving, turbid water, we are testing acoustic cameras against video footage for capturing fish movement and behavior around a turbine. This will provide insight into the likelihood of collision risk. This work helps us build confidence that marine hydrokinetic energy is a safe solution to locally power communities along Alaska's rivers.